Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to walk you through how I personally use Shopee to check my cart and complete a purchase without any confusion. If you are brand new to Shopee, or even if you are have you used it before, this quick guide will help make the whole process simple and stress-free. So open up your web browser and head to the Shopee. You can either type Shopee into Google and click the official website, or go directly if you already have it saved. If you already have an account, make sure you are logged in. This is important because your cart saved items and previous orders only show up when you are signed in. Once you are on the Shopee homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the shopping cart icon right here. This is where all the items you have added but haven't bought it yet are stored. Go ahead and click on that cart icon. Now you are inside your cart. Here you will see all the products you have added, along with the quantity, the price, and any discount that are applied. So on all of them I have some discount. This is the part where I always slow down a bit, double check everything, make sure the size is correct, the color is right, and the quantity matches what you actually want. If something looks wrong, maybe you added too many items or picked the wrong options, you can easily fix it right here. When everything looks good, scroll down and find the checkout button. So right here, click this. Clicking this will take you to the checkout page where you finalize the order. Sorry. So I need to do like that. Yes. On the checkout screen. Okay. On the checkout screen, you will see the total price, shipping fees, and any taxes. If applicable, take a moment to review this. Always recommended checking this so there are not surprises later. Next, choose your payment method. Um, Usually you have multiple options like credit card, uh, e-wallets, or other local payment methods. Pick the one you are that you are most comfortable with, and enter the required details. If you have a promo code or coupon, this is the perfect time to apply it and saves some money. Before placing an order, do one final check. Make sure your shipping address is correct, your billing information is accurate, and everything matches what you want to receive. These steps helps avoid the delivery issues and delays. And that's basically it. That's how I that's how you can go from adding items to my cart all the way to the completing a purchase on Shopee. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.